Bakit ka naman kinakabahan? Sa tingin mo ba ay lalamang?
Natin.
Ano lang pala sila first time? So, optimistic pa. Wala yan. Yun, sabi mo kasi nag-prepare ka. Ano yung mga pinagandaan mo na hindi mo nakita sa mga candidates natin ngayon? Natapos na.
Tapang na.
Okay, here's your question. So, as a future criminologist, how will you help restore the public's trust in law enforcement? Again, as a future criminologist, how will you help restore the public's trust in law enforcement?
So, as a future criminologist, I will help restore the public trust in law enforcement by being advocate of truth, justice, and integrity. I believe the trust is earned by transparency and compassion. I will promote ethical policing to support community programs that bridge the gap between citizens and officers, and ensure that every action upholds respect for human rights. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please round of applause for Officer.
Good afternoon again, everyone. I'm Janet Liburaya, and my name is Villas Garnier, representing Bad Maalinyan.